Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix App Store cannot connect problem on iPhone or iPad. All right, so let's begin with the video. If you keep seeing messages like the page couldn't be loaded or cannot connect to App Store, especially when trying to download or update apps, there are several simple fixes you can try. The first thing you should do is check your internet connection. This issue usually happens when your device is unable to properly communicate with Apple servers. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or turn airplane mode on and off for a few seconds to refresh your network connection. In many cases, the App Store starts working again immediately after reconnecting to the internet. If the problem continues, restart your iPhone or iPad. A quick reboot can clear temporary system glitches and refresh background services. Once your device turns back on, reopen the App Store and check if the issue has been fixed. Another effective solution is signing out of your Apple ID and signing back in. Open the App Store, tap on your profile icon at the top right, then select your account option. Scroll down and sign out of your account, wait a few moments, and then log back in. This creates a fresh connection between your device and Apple's servers, which often resolves App Store connection problems. You should also check your date and time settings. Open Settings, go to General, scroll down, and then open Date and Time. And make sure Set Automatically is enabled. Incorrect time or date settings can interfere with secure Apple server connections and cause the App Store to stop loading properly. If the error still appears, try resetting your network settings. Again, go to General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset Settings, and then reset all network settings. This refreshes all saved connection data and can fix deeper connectivity issues. Keep in mind that this will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords, so you'll need to reconnect to your networks afterward. Once reconnected, open the App Store again and see if it works normally. Another important step is checking for iOS updates. Apple frequently releases updates that fix bugs and connection issues. Finally, the issue may not be caused by your device at all. Sometimes Apple's servers experience temporary outages. You can check Apple's system status page to see if the App Store service is currently down. If there's a server problem, the best solution is simply to wait until Apple restores the service. By following these steps, you can fix App Store cannot connect problem on iPhone or iPad. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.